Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Anna's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make very easy plantain puff puff. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. The first ingredient you need is overripe plantain. So peel your overripe plantain, then you mash. As you guys can see, our plantain is well mashed. So here we have a sifted all-purpose flour. Add your sugar, salt, yeast, then you combine. So set that aside. We're going to be using fresh pepper to make this delicious plantain puff puff. So you can use any fresh pepper you want. I'm using fresh cayenne pepper. So here is our flour. Add the mashed plantain. Add the pepper. Next you add water. Okay, lukewarm water rather. Then you mix for like 8 to 10 minutes. Cover the puff puff batter and leave for about 1 hour to double in size. So guys, here is our puff puff batter after 1 hour. As you guys can see, it has doubled in size. Then you mix for another 5 minutes. The next thing you're going to do is to heat up your oil and fry your puff puff, okay? So guys, it's a very easy recipe It's done when it's golden brown. Our puff puff is ready. Transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. So for the measurements, check the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Happy Valentine's Day. Have a lovely day. Bye.